Hi there, Dan Budd from FunkyPunk Music here. Welcome to our tutorial video for guitar riff 02. So hopefully you've had a chance to go through riff 01. If not, please go back to that video first and have a go at the warm-up and then the riff from there, theme from Peter Gunn. Today we'll be doing a warm-up and then trying a couple of riffs. So first of all, the warm-up. Now again, we're using tab, so 6 lines, which are the 6 strings of the guitar. It's upside down, unfortunately, but that's the way it is. So our little E string, which is the one at the bottom here, on the tab is at the top, and the big E string, which on the guitar is at the top, on the tab is at the bottom because it's the lowest string. The numbers on the lines mean which frets you put your fingers in. Fret 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's a dot, 7, there's a dot, and so on. Okay? And I want you to use lots of fingers, not just one finger sliding up and down, but lots of different fingers. Okay, this is the warm-up. If it says 0, that means open, and then the numbers again are the frets. So the warm-up goes 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 2, 1, 0. And again, 0, 1, 2, 3, and back again, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now remember, we're not strumming all the strings. We're just playing the note, the strings that the notes are on, and that's for us now just the little E string. So again, the warm up: 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. Repeat. Here we go. Play along with me, please. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. Last time. Very good. Now, try not to speed up, keep it nice and slow. Consistency is the most important thing, so playing at the same each time, not speeding up, not slowing down, not having big gaps in between notes, doing it at the speed you feel comfortable with, but keeping that same speed all the way through. Practice that for 10 minutes, that'll get your fingers nice and warmed up, and then we can play some more. Right, our riff today, the first one is called Shaking All Over, and it sounds like this. Okay, now we're playing on the B and the E strings. That's the second string up, the B string, and the bottom string, which is the little E string. We're using frets 7 and 5. Now find those 2 dots. You may have a dot on 3, so be careful you're not on 3. So we want 5 with the first finger on the little E string, and let's say third finger on 7. Okay, so 5 and 7 on the same string, and we're going to pluck the string above first of all, 0, 0, that's the B string. And then little E string, 7, 7. Take that finger off, 5, 5. And then reach up to the next string up, 7, 7. And then take that one down a string, play the B string, 0, 0. And then down to the E string, 7, 7. 5, 5. Reach up, 7, 7. Go back down, but play the string above, 0, 0. So I'll come closer. Here we go. Very good, okay. And the other riff we're going to have a go at, so do that one for 10 minutes and then try this one now. which is called That'll Be the Day. It sounds like this. Okay, nice. So, how we're going to do this is we're in the 5th fret, the 4th fret, the 3rd and the 2nd. I'd like little finger on the bottom string in the 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little finger there. 3rd finger on the string above it, but both in the 3rd fret. Now, also add your 2nd finger in the 4th fret on the 2nd string up, and your 1st finger on the 2nd string up in the 3rd fret. Okay? So we've got little finger on the bottom string, then above it, 3rd finger behind that one, 2nd finger behind that one, 1st finger. These 3 fingers are on the 2nd string up, the B string. Okay? Now, I'm going to pluck the B string, then the E string, B string. I'm going to take the 3rd finger off, B string, E string, B string. I'm going to take the 2nd finger off, B string, and then I'm going to slide that 1st finger back to the 2nd fret on the B string. Okay, so let's try that again. So I'm plucking with my plectrum the B string, the E string, the B string. That's the 5, 5, 5. Then I'm taking the 3rd finger off. So now it's 4, 5, 4. I'm taking the 2nd finger off. So now it's 3, 5, 3. And then sliding the 1st finger back to 2. And then if you want to play an E chord 3 times, like that, okay? So, a couple of times through, nice and slow. Here we go. And again, fingers back on. Bit of a mistake, one more time. Wonderful. Good, that'll be the day. Lovely. Thank you for that. We'll see you next time for Riff 03 on guitar.